Yeah, thanks, Steve. Thanks for joining. But this particular demo session, okay, just to understand what are the topics we are going to discuss in this particular training and how training flow, and I'll try to clarify all your questions in this particular training. So that is the main object of today's demo. So before I getting into the actual demo, in high level, you just should tell you are a fresher or experienced. If it is experienced, how many years experience you have, and your skill set. That's all. I don't want anything else. Quickly can I have it one by one? Unmute yourself voluntarily and you please.
So hi Venkat.
Yeah. Hey, hi.
Saurav this side. I am from mechanical background, so I have total 4 years of experience in mechanical only. So I went through your videos. After that, I decided to join this demo session.
Okay, so you don't have any prior IT experience.
No Venkat, little bit of SQL this organization.
Okay, fine. SQL.
Hello,
Okay,
Venkat.
fine. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, Venkat. Gopal this side. We spoke earlier. I am an AS400 professional. I have been worked in AS400 for 7 years and looking to switch into mainframes because I already got trained in mainframes 7 years back. So since I'm looking for the switch into mainframe, I joined this session.
Okay,
I hope
fine.
you remember me. I just called you.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, yeah,
Hi, sir. I am Manikan Reddy.
yeah, yeah,
MBA
Manikan.
completed, sir. MBA completed.
Okay, go ahead. You
Training, sir, in the
completed
first.
MBA. Okay, when you completed your MBA,
Yes, sir.
when you
Completed,
completed,
sir.
when
Completed, sir.
2000, no, are you completed in 2023
Tw-
or 24, 22, 21? When you
23, sir.
completed? Sorry,
23, sir. 23.
23 you complete. 23 you completed. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so okay, so I would like to.
IT training, sir, first.
Okay, so guys,
Starting, sir.
yeah, I understood. Okay, why you want to learn mainframe?
Okay.
Why you want to learn mainframe? Since you are from MBA background, why you want to learn mainframe? That is my question to you.
Okay. Management,
You
sir.
can, sorry, no, tell me, management. Can you please raise the spot?
Management. Management, sir.
Okay, so straight away, Manikanta. Okay, I mean,
Yes, sir.
I don't recommend mainframe for the MBA candidates. For
Yes, sir.
MBA candidates, for MBA candidates, mainframe is not appropriate. Yes, if you are 100% interested, you can learn. I don't stop because if you are
I
a
will try,
learner, why?
sir.
Okay, so I don't
I
recommend.
will be tried, sir.
Okay, Manikanta, you can talk later on the phone. I'll give a guidance to you what you can,
Yes,
which
sir.
course you can take. Okay, I'm not running any institute
Oh,
apart from mainframe, by the way, but since
okay.
you are from MBA background, okay, I feel with my 13 around 15 years experience, we have a lot of MBA
Okay.
related software courses are there. I guess you can learn that. Let's no, one to one have a discussion later. Yeah, others.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Venkat, Shabnam here. I have 10
Okay.
years experience in mainframe. It is along with mainframe EDI. So we were using a front end as a EDA and back end as a mainframe. But I have good experience in mainframe, even though I want to refresh mainframe basics and mainframe skills. So that's why I was looking here.
Okay.
Hi Venkat, this is Shravan.
Yeah.
So I'm currently a master's graduate in majoring information systems. I have an experience of 3 years in SQL at Infosys. Like I used to work on back of SQL and front as SSRS reporting services. So like I'm planning to master my skills on cloud and mainframe, which will help me to push my resume forward. So that is I'm here.
Okay.
Hello, sir. My name is Mahendra. I have total 4.5 years experience in mainframe. I just want to upgrade my mainframe skills, like in order to switch the other companies, like I have joined in this.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Hi Venkat,
Hey, hi.
myself Sanjeev. I hold 3.3 years of experience as a production support, and my skill sets are JCL and CS7 scheduler. So I'm trying
Okay.
to switch to development project inside the organization, but it doesn't work. Like everyone are asking hands-on experience and development. So now I'm almost out of the organization. Like settlement is going to happen. So this is my status.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Hi Venkat,
Yeah. Hey, hi.
I'm Vamsi. I have 2.5 years of experience in mainframe. So currently I'm in development. 1.5 years I worked in support, and from past 8 months I'm in development. So I feel like I don't have total skill set of development. So I want to learn the whole course again.
Okay. Thanks.
Mostly I worked on COBOL part.
Okay. Okay.
Hi
Hi, sir.
Venkat.
Good evening.
Hey, good evening.
This is Swapna, and I completed MCom. I am a fresher.
Okay. When you finished your MCOM,
2020.
who suggested mainframe?
My husband suggested mainframe.
Okay. Okay. Then I cannot say anything
Okay.
because the mainframe person is there in your house only.
Yes.
So, okay. Next.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi Venkat. Deepthi here.
Hey, hi.
I have 9 years of mainframes experience. I left my job at around 2018. I got a career gap for around 5 to 6 years. I just wanted to start my career again, so just wanted to refresh the
Okay.
course.
Yeah. Yeah. So, if you guys, anyone is attending from other countries, let me know. There is no difference between Indian participants, other countries participants. Okay. But just to understand the things. Okay. Next.
Hi Venkat, myself Saif Ali. Uh, I have 2 years of experience in mainframe production support in at TXC technology. My responsibility include monitoring batch cycle, performing event analysis, and resolving. I want to like hands-on in JCL and COBOL, so that's purpose I want to join them.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone else?
Hello. Yeah, hi
Hey, hi.
Venkat. Yeah, Rahul this side. So we had
Hey,
a
hi.
word over the WhatsApp. Yeah, good evening. So I do have 2.8 years of experience in the mainframe. So currently I'm working in the Cognizant Technology Solution. So now I'm in support projects. So I work in batch and operation team. So now I want to switch my career into development. So that's why I'm willing to join this course.
Okay. Yeah. Others, everyone is completed.
Hi Venkat,
No,
my
hi
name is
Venkat.
Shiva.
Yeah, go ahead, Shiva.
Yeah, I have 8+ years of experience as a DB2 administrator. I want to learn this JetOS, this mainframes. Last one
Okay.
year I'm not working. I can nowadays
Okay.
requirements coming both DB2 and mainframes. They are looking for companies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it. Thanks. Yeah.
Hi, Venkat, Supriya here.
Hey, hi, Supriya.
Uh, I have 2.6 years of experience as a mainframe operator. So I want to switch my career as a mainframe developer. So that's why. And I have a basic knowledge on JCL, as a operation point of view perspective.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thanks.
Hello.
Others? Yes, Manasa.
Hi. Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So I lived in UK and I finished my masters 2023 in IBM International Business Management, and I've come back recently to because there was a market down in UK, like we were searching for jobs and there were only like odd jobs left. So I've just come back here and to see if something works out well. And I'm a non-IT background, so I've just got your number from Nanda. He's the guy like who
Excellent.
in what's saying that I can for career guidance and I can just know like what exactly the main thing, and he was the guy who suggested.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, we'll just have a related to this because I do have so many doubts about this. So yeah.
Yeah, you will get all answers, including your, I'll try to, address everyone intro.
All
Okay,
right.
go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, others? Anyone is, yeah, go on. Suresh, if you have any queries, if you have to introduce yourself, please do. Otherwise, go on mute. What about others? Your turn is done. Yeah, Gautam, go ahead.
Yeah,
Gautam, go
hi
ahead.
Venkat. Yeah, hi Venkat. This is Gautam here. So I have 5 years of experience in mainframe operations and distributed as well. So I have been working with IBM and Kindle. Right now I'm working in Kindle. So I just wanted to switch our career into development. So that's why I just got your number from one of my friends. So right now I wanted to learn some development part.
Yeah, got it. Thanks, Gautam.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Suresh. Suresh, you wanted to introduce yourself? Okay, last call. Anyone is left with intro?
Hi Venkat, Rajesh this side.
Hey, Rajesh.
I'm having total 6 years of experience, and I was working with different mainframe projects like development, migration, and testing project as well. Right now, I'm working with the testing support team along with the development team. So I want to upskill myself and change the organization. That's why I just joined this organized this.
Yeah, thanks, Rajesh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Venkat.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, this is Shital from this side. I have 2 years of experience in mainframe support. I want to switch my career in development side. That's why I'm joining this. Course.
Okay, thanks, Hital. Anyone is left?
Hi, my
Okay.
name is Sadhna Nangale. Hello,
Hey,
can you
yes.
hear me?
Yeah, Sadhana, go ahead.
Yeah, so
Yes, so I'm having 14 years of experience, but my experience is like scattered. I have experience is performance testing in mainframe. Then I'm having experience of development, but it was like when I was a fresher that time I did the development, but afterwards I did not did the development into the COBOL JCL. I did the natural development and then the Vision Plus development and all that. So just to have the pure mainframe, core mainframe development, I joined this course.
Yeah, nice. Okay, I can see diversity. Like there are so many skills are involved here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Not only you,
yeah.
I have
Hi,
seen
Venkat.
DB to DB. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, Pooja.
Yeah. Hi, Venkat. This is Pooja Rupre. I have total 6 years of experience in mainframe batch and operation support, and recently I switched into mainframe development. But I think I don't have that much skill set for development, so I'm tackling for development and coding. So for upgrade myself, I have joined the development course only. Hope this course will help me to upgrade my skills on development side. Recently I'm working on development, but I got some doubts at the time of executing some jobs and JCL. So
Okay.
that's
Yeah,
it.
got it. Yeah, got it.
Yes.
Hi Venkat, I'm Kalyani.
Yeah, go ahead, Kalyani.
Yeah, I'm new to IT. I don't have any job experience also. I have so much gap from my studies. So I'm starting now to learn something to get job. So I choose mainframe. I'm completely new to this IT.
Okay. So when you completed your study?
2011.
Okay. Yeah. So
I hope
right.
it will help. This
Hmm.
this, this session will help.
Yeah, we'll see all of them. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Next
Thank you.
thing. Anyone is left with the introduction team? Okay. So go on mute, everyone, team. Whenever there is a question from your end, please unmute yourself. Okay, you please unmute yourself. You are good to ask me the questions at any moment. You no need to wait till I give a some stop or till I ask you, do you have any queries? You need to wait. You can ask me at any moment logically. So you saw the introduction. I hope you listened introductions, right? So we got 3 to 4 around freshers introductions. Some people are having DB to DB experience. Some people have career gap. They worked on mainframe, but they had a gap. They want to refresh, right? So there are five around 3 to 5 again. They working on support or operations or other skills. So we got mixed participants, okay, where all are not freshers, where all are not experienced, all are not in support, all are not in one category. So we got mixed participants. Now I hope you joined this training to know how this course is going to help you. Okay, I know that you may not continue because just is a demo and you are attending to whether it suits for you or not. Even I want to give a clear picture to everyone whoever in this training. Okay, because my intention is not getting the candidates. Just tell the things which works for you. Okay, the things which works for you, I'll tell you that. There are few things that doesn't work for you, then I say I request you to suggest some. I'll suggest. Okay, you don't need to follow my suggestions by the way, but I suggest the best one as I have a around 15 years of experience. Okay, so you say since 2010, right? So it's a brand that I created, but I have around 15 years, 14 15 years experience on mainframe technology. So I worked in various MNC organizations, and I do only uh, just 1 hour training every day. I don't do uh, multiple batches. I don't do that. Okay, so I do at a time one batch, that is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. That is I do. So from that experience, from industry experience, I used to interact with the different mainframe resources. I used to notice and analyze things in LinkedIn, Facebook, what the request, what are the people are posting, you know, and what people are talking about the openings, and are based on, you know, all the things, whatever I gained the knowledge from that, I'm going to give the suggestions to you. Okay, let me start. Okay, who can attend this training? First, I would like to tell you who can attend this training. Who can attend this training? So I hope this question is perfectly fine. Yeah. So team, later I'll tell you what are the things you will get from my training. Basically, whether it suits or not, I need to give a things, and I need to give a clear picture to you. So team, one is mainframe freshers, like a mainframe freshers, like who completed their studies recently 1 or 2 years back. They can attend this particular mainframe technology training. Okay, so I saw when I listened, there are some guys, one guy from he or she completed MBA, the other person completed mechanical. So we have a different streams freshers also there. Okay, so if you want to learn mainframe, if you want to try on mainframe, 100% you can learn it, there is no doubt. So any technology guy in any stream, okay, EEE, IT, CSC, mechanical, uh, any R degree, MSc, MCA, MBA, anyone can attend this training, no doubt about it, because we are starting from the scratch. So even if you doesn't know anything, you are good to start training from here. We are starting from the scratch. What is mainframe? How to connect to the server? Everything I'll explain. Okay, so but I don't recommend. Okay, I don't recommend mainframe course for MBA people. Okay, I don't recommend the mainframe technology for MBA people. The reason for that, so you
Hello,
completed for, yeah.
sorry to interrupt. How about business management students?
No, I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. Okay, I'm coming one by one.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So why I say, you know, why I'm telling to this is not useful team. You know, there are few guys who have 14 experience. I guess you can pitch in and you can share your thoughts, your experience. Okay. I'm very happy if you also join with me to guide someone. Okay. As some people more than who are having more than 8 years experience, you have a good clear picture of the IT market, and you know about mainframe also. Okay, whatever you want to add, you good to add, I'll give you some time once I do explain that. So why I'm saying MBA graduates team, you know, for you everything is a new here. COBOL is new, programming is a new. Now if you studied like there are two categories again MBA. If you completed engineering doing MBA, that is different story. Okay, now some people would have done degree BCom, BBA, then they went to the MBA. For those people, I am trying to stress these points. Who completed BBA or BCom, okay, those people if they went to MBA, then better you choose the courses which are belongs to MBA. If you want any guidance, I can suggest you. There is no doubt at all, because I know I have some friend, and I have friends who are who completed MBA and they learned some MBA related course. They got the job. Okay, so from that experience, from that network, I could able to suggest the things. Okay, so why I am saying don't learn mainframe if you are MBA graduate team. Okay, so because here you have to learn technology like coding, database, everything you have to learn. Okay, and do you have this many openings? No. Okay, who are in mainframe, they have to be. Okay, for them I don't say that, I don't give the statement, because since you are starting your journey in mainframe, openings are very less. You are coming to the narrow road. Okay, so now you are in highway where you have a multiple opportunities. So when you step into mainframe, you are traveling to narrow road. When you are in narrow road, which means that we have a less options. You have to go, you have to take a decision very carefully, right? So so what I'm trying to say here, team, for you, there are some, there are separate courses are there for you. You please learn. There are so many openings are there, but when you learn mainframe, you know, the companies openings are very less, and already experienced they are in other two. Okay, we have a very less openings on mainframe, more openings on experienced people when I compare things. Okay, so we said in the less openings, within the less openings, mainframe fresher openings are very less, because all MNC companies, they will give training to their freshers. Okay, their freshers in the company itself. Okay, recruiting outside mainframe freshers very less chances, that I can tell you. Okay, so the since openings are very less, why you need to enter into this life? Okay, so now so many projects are migrating. Now whoever in the middle of the mainframe, we cannot go anywhere, but still, since you are learning, instead of getting into this step, better you fall, you can go to another step. Yeah, so I would like to give some time for others to add who are having experience in IT, if I am correct or wrong.
You are correct, Venkat. You have almost covered all the points. Uh, since right mainframe we see it as a legacy system, uh, so maybe they can select a some technology which is booming now. At least
Oh,
like they want to
yeah,
come into IT. I
yeah,
think.
yeah, correct. Mm.
Can I also add one point?
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, to add the point with Venkat, yes, there are a lot of opportunities available for experienced people only, not the freshers. And I completely agree that all the MNCs which have mainframes projects are training freshers in company itself. They are not hiring any trained mainframe freshers. So it is more than narrow kind of a path for the freshers who is getting trained. Thank you.
Nice, thanks. Okay, please be keep add things. Okay, now this is the one context. Okay, the second one. Okay, mainframe pressures. Someone asked the business, right? And the other one, okay, mechanical. I want to bring, forget about mechanical. Okay, mechanical or other streams, or other streams. So there are here what happens. I know, I can understand who completed MBA. They want to put some experience they want to try. Okay, as simple as, okay. So we don't deal into all of them. I'll give only training, as you are aware. So so who want to try on experience, putting experience and trying. Okay, for them also I'm going to cover here. Okay, in this particular second point, let's say, so who joined my course, let's say some people had a 10 years gap. I heard it. Some people had a 3 years gap. Since if you are learning after that much gap, means I know, okay, you are going to put some experience. Okay, or you will try somehow. Okay, you might refer, somebody will refer in your, somehow you will try to get the job. Okay, so now I am a mechanical guy, can I able to learn mainframe or not? Okay, so again, for these people also, I suggest what I suggested for the MBA people. So you try other technologies, don't try in mainframe technology, though you are trying to put some experience. Okay, though you are trying to put experience. Again, conditions apply. Condition one, there are two categories of people. Okay, there are two categories of the people in our training or anywhere. Okay, so one is the very smart. Okay, I'm a mechanical guy, I'm a very smart, I can learn quickly, I can implement, I can explore. If you fall under that category, please don't learn mainframe at all. Don't learn mainframe because there are, as Savana said, like there are other skills are there, right? You know,
Venkat, you said something I
Oracle.
missed it. What you said?
Sorry,
Just go a line back. Just go a line back. I missed it.
I want to repeat. Do you want me to repeat again?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I'll repeat. So what I was telling that you are okay. Let's say I'm a Venkat. I'm a very smart fellow. I completed mechanical 3 years back. I want to learn mainframe technology. I want to try a job. So you are a mainframe guy. Sorry. I'm wrong. Okay, you are a mechanical guy. You want to put, someone going to repair in the. Sorry. You are a mechanical guy. You are a very smart. Okay, you are always interested to learn, and you are much focused on the money as well as. Okay, so one is, okay, you are a smart, innovative, and you are ready to learn quickly, and you are going to think always money. So if you are under this category, don't learn mainframe. The reason is, okay, you cannot put your smartness in mainframe because everything is existing. Go and do the changes. Very less innovative things you can apply on mainframe. Okay, see, there is percent. No, we have a innovative implementations are there. I don't say that the percentage is very less. Okay, like migration, mainframe migration, modernization. How many people will get a chance to work on it, right? So we'll see the based on the probability. I'm trying to give the my knowledge or information. So let me repeat the things. So I completed a mechanical or other stream. I had a 3 years gap. I want to learn a mainframe. If you are a smart, if you are a quick learner, and you always thinks money, hey, my friend is, hey Venkat, my friend is getting 30 lakhs, I am getting 20 lakhs. My friend is getting 20 lakhs, I am getting 5 lakhs. I want to get more. When you have this much comparison, don't learn mainframe because mainframe is not going to give that much packages, that much chance to explore or smart things to apply. And once you are in mainframe, you have a very less chance to learn. Initially you will learn first 4 years if you're in development. Next entire life, the same thing you're going to do it. Very few challenges, new things will be there. But when you compare with other technologies, it's not that. That is not the case. Okay, example, if you take a Java. Okay, so every 2 years, so many things are coming in Java. When I started learning, if I know core Java, that is enough. Okay, so now, like 4 years back, we have a something called full stack Java, full stack developer. Okay, now future they might ask full stack Java plus cloud integration, those experienced people. So there the learning curve is more. You have to learn all the things. If you have that much skills and interest things, better you learn other technology. Now I'll come to another category, okay, where people will choose mainframe, and I recommend also. Hey Venkat, I'm very poor in the programming. I'm very poor in the innovative. It doesn't mean that you're not smart. Okay, someone will not show interest. Okay, I saw some people are very good. Very intelligent, but they don't want to fall under programming. So many MBA people are there. Doesn't mean that they are waste or good or bad, right? So they don't want to get into that category. They are more much interested in the MBA part. We cannot deframe them, or we cannot demotivate them, right? So don't think that aspect. I'm saying they are not interested. Okay, so condition to what I'm trying to say here, team. Condition to what I'm trying to say here, that I okay, I'm okay to programming at one extent level, but I'm not interested to learn every 1 year. I want to learn something. I'm not that much person. Okay, I want peaceful, and I want the things every time is the same. So every 2 years learning is very difficult for me. If you feel that, then you are good to learn mainframe, because mainframe is not the one which every year you need to learn something else. Okay, once you get a good experience, after that everything is stable one. Okay, few things you will learn, but compared to other technologies, it is not like that. Anyone wants to add anything here, or any ask questions you want to ask?
Have Venkat.
Yeah, Saurabh.
Yeah, I fall under condition too. So I want to ask you that I have a gap also in the mechanical 7 to 8 years. So how I will means your training will help me to understand mainframe.
Yeah, so I'll talk about technically in the second part of this question. Okay, we are discussing that.
Okay.
Okay, we'll discuss how my course is going to help you. Now I am talking how who can learn mainframe, right? That is a category subject we are discussing.
Sure.
Immediately I'll discuss that also. That is also our agenda. Okay, yeah. Now the people who had a gap, so I no need to tell. You know already. IT market. Your husbands or wives or your colleagues, friends, they are already working on mainframe. Okay, so you know already things. I no need to tell whether the course is suitable for you or not. Okay, so yeah, obviously for you also the same conditions applicable here. Okay, so one more thing I can tell you, if you're having less than 3 or 4 years experience, and if you are falling under category 1, that is a condition 1, smart, innovative, interested to learn something, then go with the mainframe. So this is the, if you are having less than 4 years experience, it's a good time, right time to switch to other technology. Okay, if you are having more than 5 years and all, you cannot. Okay, you cannot jump into other technologies. You can do it. Okay, after 10 years also you can jump into it. There is no doubt about it. But the chances, the cracking the interviews, the things going to become more challenging. That in that aspect I'm telling. So there are some people after 10 years they move to other technology. You have seen it. Okay, now so many people learn cloud was not there 10 years back, right? 10-15 years back. Now it is there. Okay, it doesn't mean that only 3-4 years anyone, but right time. Okay, because if you learn before 4 years experience, you can say that I worked on 2 years experience. Later in project my manager moved to cloud, there I got a chance to learn and do the things. That is how you can manage for some of the entry questions. Okay, but after 4 years and all, you cannot skip it. Okay, it will not opt, or you may not able to give some justification for some of the questions. The last one in this particular category is, yeah, any queries? Good, I am good so far. So Manas, I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, but I don't know, like I'm still confused.
You are from your said management.
Yeah, business management.
Okay, I guess
So
business management
recently
will
when
come
I
under
finished
MBA.
my sorry?
Business management will come under MBA.
Yeah, kind of. Like I finished my BCom and then went back to UK and I've just come back recently, like finished MSc in International Business Management.
Then for you, okay, I don't know, uh, CA function when a chartered accountant, those subjects came into
Yeah.
your came.
Not
Your,
CA.
when
It
I mean
it was
similar
never.
subject, accounts
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
those.
kind of. Yeah, Funds and all. Yeah.
Then I don't recommend this mainframe. Okay, because you
Okay.
also fall under you also fall under MBA category where you are
All
not
right.
100%. Okay, you're not. I know you're not an MBA person. You almost
Yeah.
similar to parallel based
Yeah.
stream, right? So I can suggest you other courses. Okay, but by the just telling you that Don't think that not only you, anyone, guys. I'm repeating.
All right.
Okay, I'm repeating,
Okay.
guys, to everyone. I don't have any alliance or any with other institutes and anything. Just okay.
So,
I
like, I do
no,
have
I'm
some of the friends. Hello.
yeah. Go ahead, Mansa.
Yeah, so I do have some of the friends like who've been learning Power BI and SQL and stuff like that to apply for some roles like business coordinator and something in business management roles.
No, I can suggest you. We have a Oracle apps. Okay, we have a Oracle functions is there. Oracle functional. So I guess that is going to suits for you very well. Okay, Power BI and all
Okay.
again it is a too technical. Okay, since you completed your what you call BCom and you went to some MBA related course
Yeah,
in London,
yeah,
better to learn
yeah.
related something in SAP
Mm,
HCM. Okay, which is related to more functional, business functional,
yeah.
not rather than technical. So try that
Okay.
way, try that area.
All right.
So it is going to very close to your studies also, easy to understand, compare things and get it job easily.
Okay. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem.
So since Nanda is recommended you, so let's we have a offline discussion.
Yes,
What basis
definitely.
is
Yeah.
you
It's so
can have a
confusing for me.
you can have a separate discussions later.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. Yeah. There are two, three people, Shravan and Chaitanya raised, Gopal also raised hand. Go
Yeah.
ahead.
So Venkat,
Why
yeah.
so many queries? I will be ending with these questions. Go ahead. I'm okay.
Yeah.
Guys,
So
you need
like
to stay more.
actually, okay. So I'm a master's student. I'm currently pursuing my master's. Okay. But I'm not interested on this Java, Python, and everything. So the reason I'm like I just want to go on this mainframe with parallel to the cloud. Okay. So I want like I want to start my job career or professional career with this cloud and the mainframe. I hold an experience of 3 years in SQL at India. Like I worked for Infosys for 3 years, and later I came for masters. So what do you suggest on this? Or like would you like I want to go with the cloud and the mainframe migration jobs actually. So like I see a lot of companies are currently migrating to cloud from mainframes. So I want to go and tackle in that between. What do you say about that?
Yes, Ravan. Okay, whether you I know you given the information, whether you know cloud or not doesn't matter for me. In the sense, let me elaborate. Don't come to the conclusion of my statement. In if you are if you are doing MS or anything in US, blindly you can learn mainframe. Blindly you can learn mainframe. Try the job. The reason for that, I'll tell you two things. Okay, reason for that openings are more compared to India. Don't compare with India, okay? Because crowd which we have in India, the people who are in knows mainframe in US very different. Okay, so in
Yeah.
US mainframe guys are very less. Even freshers also everybody is learning other technology, right? So if you learn mainframe, there is a high chance for you to get the job before your friends. No doubt about it. I'm telling you confidently. You see my voice. Okay, even if you don't
Got
know
it.
cloud, you can get it job easily. The reason for that, colleges are not teaching mainframe in US.
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so colleges are not teaching mainframe, that they need resources. Only they can find the resources who moved from India or other countries US based on some visa when H1 4 and all stuff, who settle over there. But that
Exactly.
crowd may not be sufficient for those many openings. But only one challenge here in this
Mm-hmm.
context, you will
Mm-hmm.
get a very less amount salary for mainframe. So if you compromise in that aspect, in that particular statement, then you are good to continue this course, no doubt about it. But again, as I said earlier, if you are comparing your salary with other cloud people in US or artificial intelligence people, then it is not going to work for you in mainframe.
Got it. Got
I
it. Got
hope
it. Perfect. Yeah,
I hope
that
you
makes
also
sense.
explored this.
Makes
You
sense.
also got the same.
Yeah. Yeah, makes sense. So the reason I'm just planning with the cloud and this, okay, that's my personal thing. I'll go with that. That's okay. Thanks for this. Thanks for the support, buddy. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, Venkat. Actually,
Yes.
I'm having experience, 2 years of experience on COBOL, SQL, and Unix. Um, I have resigned from TCS 1 week ago, and I want to switch to some other technology. Like I want to switch to mainframes. I don't have complete understanding of mainframes like JCL, VSAM, DB2, CICS, and all. Only I have like COBOL, Unix, and SQL. That's all we have used in the project. What you suggest about this?
Okay. So first of I mean, I know I am very straightforward person in this context. Guys, don't resign.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Don't resign without having offer in your hand now in the current situation. See, I mean, I'm telling it in generic, okay? Again, it's case to case. Some people would have resigned because of the torture of the team lead, manager, or some. There are plenty of reasons will be there. But if you need a job at any cost, for anyone, this is applicable for anyone, even 15 years, 20 years, or 1 year. Remember, in the current situation, without holding any offer, don't resign. If you have some commitments after, I mean, with in your employment like EMIs and other stuff, don't do that because we don't know. We don't know how many openings. When openings are there, but it's not plenty in the current situation. So we don't know how many days, how many months it goes. Okay, everyone learning with hope. That is not a wrong, but you are having a golden spoon in your hand to eat. Now you're throwing it that you're trying to find silver spoon. So you will get silver spoon or again, we don't know. Guys, correct, add me. Do I am correct in this context?
Yes, yes, Venkat, you are correct because the internationally the jobs market is very down now as of now due to many other reasons like the Russia thing or the China thing. This is one of the thing, and apart from that, automation is the first thing, and second thing is the AI. So the job market is very tight as of now. So your recommendation is 100% true.
Okay. Yeah, thanks. So yeah, let me answer your question. Chaitanya, I mean, I want to give the answer because I cannot, tell everything, my suggestion only. Yes, you can learn mainframe.
Okay.
You can learn mainframe as you know already, COBOL. Only the thing is for all the participants who are going to continue my training. So if you want to get best output or best outcome from my training or anywhere, not only my training. So if my efforts are 50%, okay. So if my efforts are 50%, your efforts should be there 50%. What does mean? I'll explain every topic practically answerable, no doubt about it. But if you don't do hands-on, then what is the use, right? You will learn, I agree. You will understand, but it will be there in your memory for some time. If you do hands-on more on daily basis, you will get good practical knowledge, practical answer. Then you will explore. Why? And I'll explain one approach and two approaches. See, our life. You will learn when your life going on. You learn lot of challenges, right? It is not a only straight route. It is not a straight route without any speed breakers. There are so many speed breakers will be there. So the speed breaker sizes are not same, right? So here also you need to do the hands-on. If you don't do the hands-on, the learning is going to be very less, and you might forget technology very quickly. Okay, so do hands-on, attend the sessions regularly, follow my instructions, do assignments which I give within 3 4 now. Market is not good, that is why I'm not giving a commitment. But if the market is a good, within a 10 interviews you're going to get the job, at least 3 offers. That technically I'm talking mainframe questions point of view. If they ask any questions, okay, out of 10, minimum I'm saying, I'm not telling out of 10 you will get 10. I can tell that, but it should be more relevant also, right? So you need to get offer. 3 offers you might easily you'll get it. Minimum I am saying. Okay, so whoever going to attend my training team, this is the one I supposed to tell. Still I am covering the things who are suitable and all. But the thing is, you should do hands-on daily basis. These are not daily. So weekly 3-4 days you have to sit, spend 2 hours, do hands-on. You will get the subject, and you ask me the doubts. I'll clarify everything in the class. Yeah. So I hope you are clear. Any queries? Guys, I might need 20 more minutes from now. So I supposed to complete by 10 o'clock, as most of the time I spent in this 50 minutes only on who can attend this particular one. I did not talk about my course, how it is easy, how much is difficult and all. So can I proceed? Any queries?
Venkat, Sanjeev here.
Yeah.
Venkat, I have one like a real-time scenario-based question, like which I'm going through. Like since I told I have 3.3 years of production support experience, so like I want to switch to the development project. So I voluntarily, deliberately got released from my project and serving bench now. But I'm like after I tried all my level best to switch to development project, but no one is like giving opportunity. They are asking for hands-on. But I got some opportunities in SAP monitoring, some different technology monitoring 24 hours on support project. What do you suggest for me? Because I have like very little time, like 2 weeks to 2 weeks only due
So
time in my bench. After that only
so
settlement going.
yeah. So here because I don't know the skills which you said, SAP 24/7 and all. Frankly speaking, I don't know those
No,
things.
actually, I don't have skill set on SAP and all. I have only 3.3 years of mainframe technology experience
Correct, but you
as a
got
production
offer now. But you got offer, right?
inside the organization. Yes,
Inside
but my
organization.
intention is to switch. Yeah, like inside the organization, different project. But my intention is to join in development project.
Same, right? See, that's what I'm saying now. Okay, even myself and the other person also suggested. Okay, now 3 years means very less openings again, right? 2-3 years experience, very less openings. So I don't know how you are going to deal, because you're I guess you're a very aggressive, and it looks like you want to come out of that project or company. I don't know the reasons, but the things whatever it comes to you, I know they are suggesting some skill, technology, SAP, or so be there. Okay, be there, just try to learn that, continue that, see the scope of that particular technology, the skill. If the market is good, then learn there only, learn that technology. If the market is good compared to mainframe, the openings will be there in future compared to more. If compared to mainframe, the openings are more in that. Yes, learn that, because anyhow they know already, right? Internal company, internal employees, they know you're not a SAP guy, so you are a mainframe guy, so they will give training, and they will give KTs. If you do here and there mistakes, they will accept it. So you don't need to prove much, like things.
Venkat, at the same time, you know what? Like my resume, my series got getting shortlisted in different organization for the mainframe development, but I can't pull it off. Like I'm getting like weekly 2 interviews at least.
Okay, so the quick solution for you. Okay, this training goes for 3 months. Okay, but it looks like you need to get a job quickly, and you need to prepare the content also quickly. If 3 months means it's a far away, it's a long journey for you based on your situation. There is other approach. You can come back to me offline. You can take the recorded videos of my previous session. How I am talking now, I am recording this session, right? That is called one
Mhm.
recorded video. Like that, what I conducted in the previous batch, not previous batch, old batch, one of the old batch. So those videos I'll give it to you as you are on bench, or whether you might not be getting the work now, as per your situation. So utilize daily, watch 3-4 videos and do the hands-on. I will give the server access. If you take the videos, you do the hands-on, ask me the doubts while you're watching the videos and doing the hands-on. By that, you can learn quickly, can do hands-on as well as. That is how you can finish this training quickly in your own.
Okay, man. Okay, Venkat. But just for
Because
on information, I'm telling if, like my notice period is 3 months. Okay, no one is shortlisting me if my notice period is 3 months. So just for information, I'm telling this is what happening in the
correct,
market.
but how many
It is
days completed? How many notice
Now,
period
no,
days
no.
completed you?
Now I'm in bench, so I'm almost 2 months is over. I still have 2 weeks till the due time. After that, like settlement only. But just for information, like if you want to switch opportunity and your notice period is 3 months officially, no one will shortlist because I'm just
Yeah,
trying more than 8 months.
that
Only
is
after
there. That is
coming to the bench, only after coming to the bench and mentioning the my bench, like I can join immediately or 1 month only, they had started to shortlist my CV.
that is there. See, that's what. Okay, if you ask me, okay, if you ask me, do I take that risk? I never take a risk because I have now I have a lot of commitments. Okay, now if I do a resign, but
Mhm.
somehow they release me early, or if they ask me to serve, serve for 3 months. After within 3 months, if I get the job, God grace, it's okay. If not, then my entire family will be in a risk. So it's again person to person. So circumstances, situations, you can decide. But from my end, there are 2 3 months training is there, or you can attend this training, or you take the recorded videos of my training and go through it, do the hands-on there also. Ask me if you have any queries. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So first time I'm dealing 1 hour with these questions. Anything else you want to discuss on this? Shall we continue,
uh,
guys? So for some people who attended only for to know the program flow. Yeah, go ahead.
actually, Venkat, I got trained in mainframes for 2 years in 2015 to 17 in DXC, and later on I have worked for COBOL AS400, and then I have started working for AS400 RPG. Hope you know. So I just wanted to go back to mainframes because there are a lot of opportunity in my company itself for the experienced professional. So what I'm thinking, like modifying my resume, putting my 2 years for mainframes. So will it be, I mean, according to
Yeah,
you, will this be a good
for
thing
it
to do?
suits okay. For you okay because AS400 is like a neighbors, right? Like neighbors are
Yeah,
cousins.
exactly.
Cousins, they are cousins. Okay. So it is not a big deal for you. Okay. You are good to proceed with your plan because there you will use CL400. Here you will use there you use DP400. Here you will use uh, COBOL, right? So more or less same thing. Okay, if you put 2 years experience, your AS400 project itself, you can say as a mainframe project because the way you deal, only the languages replace, but client
Exactly.
functionality cannot replace, right?
Exactly.
It's both same. So you are good to that approach is okay, fine. It's
Sure.
not
Thank
wrong.
you.
Guys, by the way, I'm giving a lot of suggestions. What you guys are
Hello.
expecting, yeah, go ahead, Saif Ali.
Yeah. Hi, Venkat. Currently, I'm working TXT technology, but after 3 or 4 days back, I put my resignation. Because of that, like I am on prod support and I want to switch my career on development. So, is it good for me?
Yeah, if you are already working in mainframe, yes, you can do it, not a problem.
Yeah, but I'm working, but I'm resigning my current organization to upskill myself because from 2 year I just only monitor the batch cycle and to update the SLAs. So that's why I put my resignation and now I want to upskill myself.
Okay, you put already your paper, right?
Yeah.
Then still you have the work, okay? Sometimes if you are on bench, they will release from the project. You will be idle for bench period. So in your context, how it goes? Is it you're going to get the work?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Can you repeat me? Actually, I'm not getting your question.
If you said you are on bench, right?
No, I'm not in bench. Actually, I just monitored the
Yeah,
batch cycle and just like updating the SLS timings. Okay, so like I want to, and from 2 year actually I'm not that much of confident on mainframe. So for that reason, I put my resignation. Now I want to upskill myself in mainframe, and I want to switch my career in development.
you can do it, not a problem. Yeah, you can do it.
Sorry, Venkat. Sorry to interrupt. Once I want to speak to Saif. So he told he is in DXC, right?
Yeah, yes.
So currently, I'm also working in DXC. I think you can try internally only. Like there are so many development projects. Once you'll have a good rapport with your manager, you can move to development easily.
Okay.
It will be an easier way for
To
you
add
trying
to
other than salary perspective.
Sahil, Gopal said, I even know many projects. DXC have most of the S400 and mainframe projects.
Hmm.
Even ICICI, Citibank kind of projects. You can try internally. Definitely will get.
Yeah. Actually, I'm an external to DXC. Even I am in development from 8 months. Even I felt same as you, how you are feeling now. I also worked in support for almost 1.5 years. You sometimes you need some patience, like we need to wait. We need to impress our managers. Then it will be easy to move to development.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Saif.
Yeah.
So try to get the development project internally, so that no need to prove, and your performance all will not doesn't matter that time. If you go to the other company with the development experience, there are a lot of expectations. Okay, so try in that way internally. So stay 1 year, move to the development project, stay 1 year, then you switch for packages and different culture purpose and all. But as others said, not only for you, any for me also. If I want to learn artificial intelligence or gen AI, but if I get a job or opportunity in the internal only, this is a golden opportunity, because no need to prove it. Okay, so my entire platform is set over there. So only the thing is gaining the knowledge.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Sorry, I had been attended to this meeting very late. I had this doubt, like, how it will be, like, in what way are you going to teach? Like, are you using the live project? Like, and
No, we did.
I'm
Raj,
not
I
from
did
the
not.
software. Yeah.
I did not.
Yeah.
Sorry
Please.
to stop you. I did not enter into still that stage now. Still, I'm clarifying all the participants' questions. So can I
Okay.
learn how I get it? Oh, the such things, such type of questions only I am answering. Still, I did not enter into my training flow at all. So you will get an idea
All
now.
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Like,
let's
just I
park.
want to know, like, what's the way of teaching? Like, how it will be. Okay. 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 Yeah. Continue,
Yeah.
please.
So team. Yeah. Let's park all your questions. Let's park your question for some time. At the end, I'll take all your questions. Okay, so because there I saw some fixed participants also who are having support experience. They want to know the flow. As I hope I answered 1 hour, let's park all the questions. Let me uh, explain the flow of my training, what I am going to teach, everything. Later I'll take the questions. Yeah, if somebody wants to drop, they can drop it, because they got what they want. Yeah. So team. Yeah, so we will be starting our technology training. So mainframe technology training is purely related to developer course. Okay, even if you don't know anything about mainframe before, okay, like as I said, you are a mechanical or any other technology, MBA grad, any graduate can learn mainframe developer course. Okay, training mainframe developer course. There is no doubt at all, because we are starting from the scratch. So in this course, I am going to start with the first TSY-SPO. This module is for the people who are new to mainframe. Okay, even who are new to, when who are having experience on mainframe, those people also will gain some commands from me. Also, if I attend if you to teaching, I might learn some command shortcuts from you, because everyone will not be knowing everything, right? Hence, the mainly for freshers this module, because you should know what is mainframe, what is emulator, how to connect to this mainframe server, and the navigation, screen navigation options. So everything you're going to learn. Okay, so if you're an experienced person, first 3-4 days it will be boring, no doubt about it, as we are teaching mainframe modules, emulator, subsystems, theoretical stuff. Second or third day onwards, we will start practically on our real-time server. Okay, so then once I complete TSY-SPO, ideally it will take 6 to 8 days. Okay, I'll give always a range, which means that minimum 6 days it might take, and maximum 8-9 also. On average, 6 to 8 days will take to complete this particular module. So once I am done with this module, immediately I'll start with the JCL. Okay, so this is the corporate culture training team. Generally, if you see in institutes, they don't teach JCL immediately. They will start COBOL. If you see in the corporate companies, they will start straight away JCL after TSY-SPO, and it is needed also. Okay, so what JCL, what are the topics we are going to cover? I have the PDF document team, so you can ping me. If you don't have this PDF document, you can ping me. I'll share with you, because we are already spent 1 hour 10 minutes. If I go through each topic, it might take more time. So anyhow, I have to just read out the names only, the topic names. You refer this document, I'll share with you if you don't have. So to complete this JCL module, it will take for me 12 to into 12 days. So in this context, 1 day is equivalent to 1 hour. 1 day is equivalent to 1 hour. Okay, so I hope you got it. Once I am done with this, then I'll be starting with the third module, VSAM. So VSAM will take 3 to 4 days. 3 to 4 days. Okay, so whichever the topic, when a modules I am telling, everything is going to explain on practically on server. Okay, so I don't use PPTs in my training. I might use document to see the syntax or to show definition to you. Otherwise, I'll explain everything on the server practically. So if I take 1 hour session, 55 minutes I'll spend on the server. Okay, so which means that, just to tell you that we are going to do everything practical. The fourth one is COBOL. Okay, this is the very important, and which will take more time here. So this will take around, if you ask me, last training it will not be right. Yeah, it will take 17 days to 20 days around. Okay, 17 to 20 days it is going to take. Then after DB2, DB2 it will take 10 days or 9 to 12 days. I'll give 10 days only. 10 days to do this. Then after I'll start the other module, which is the last one, CICS, so which will take 15 to 17 days. So if you count altogether with the minimal, why I should count this one? 6, 10, 16, 19, I'll count as a 20 plus 1, 20, 37, 46 plus 15. So I am getting around 60 plus hours I'm going to explain to you daily. On top of this, you're going to get the bonus videos which I don't cover in this training. Example, I'll take an example in this one. So if you see somewhere, editing picture class. So this is self-explanatory topic. for this I will give a one video. Okay, I don't explain practically. In the sense, I already explained another batch. I will share that video with you so that you can go through it. One video here, then the alternate index video. There is a 1.5 hour video here. Then there are a string and inspect. This is the 1 hour video, 2 hours video here. And I have a 3 hours videos on COBOL entry questions, which I did not upload in my YouTube channel for public. I want to keep something for my participants also. So for COBOL, you are going to get around 10 hours bonus videos. Okay, bonus is not additional videos, part of it is additional topics, I can say. Okay, similarly, this is for COBOL. Similarly, for DB2, you are going to get around 5 hours videos. And for CICS, you're going to get additionally 3 hours videos. So here 60 hours, 70, 75, 3, 78, which around you are going to get total the duration content from me 70 to 90 hours content, as simple as. Okay. So to complete this particular, the listed 6 topics, for me it will take 3 months. Okay, so today is the first one. We have started exactly on day 1 of June, so we'll be ending with the August 31st, or before we might complete 1 week before, hardly 10 days. So 10 days plus minus will be there. You have to keep that as a buffer. Okay, so don't, I am not a person, hey, I said only till August, so I'll complete within August. Okay, if you guys are asking more questions, then I will take it. Okay, so I know initially people will ask, at the end people will not ask. So but on average it will take 3 months to complete all these modules. So when we start TSYSPF, you will get the mainframe server access. Okay, you will get the mainframe server access, where you need to uh, install the software that is called emulator in your laptop. Hardly take less than 5 minutes. That we will do our second or third day or first day itself. So then I will guide you how to connect to the server and all within 5 minutes. From there you can do the hands-on. So what I do, team, every day I'll just explain to you. Okay, you no need to do anything in this video, in the session, just listen what I'm teaching you. Okay, so now I am writing everything in the notes, right? This is I called as a, in my terminology I'll call as a class notes. Okay, I'll call as a class notes. So if I'm writing on the server, if I'm writing something on the mainframe server, I'll copy that code and paste in the notepad, so that once training is over, I will share this class notes with you. You can go there, refer it, what Venkat is explained, what is the program, you can go through it. So that's why I said don't write anything. Everything will be there with you. Notepad will be there. Okay, soft copy material will be there with you. Soft copy material and mainframe server access, that is a server access or mainframe ID, soft copy material, and daily class notes. So daily class notes you're going to get. So daily class notes, what I now we are completing today's session, right? So I will upload in the private platform. Okay, the class notes, just go there, download it. I'll give the access to that particular folder path. Go there, download it. So maximum the same day I'll try to upload. Worst case, if I could not able to upload it after session, next day morning I'll upload it. That is how I do in the my trainings. Okay, so the trainings would be Monday to Friday, and in few occurrences I will take Saturday, Sunday also. In few occurrences, Saturday, Sunday also I'll take it. So the reason why I take Saturday, Sundays team, in this 3 months journey, I cannot give when I'll try to complete on time. Okay, if if I go to somewhere for visiting, or if I'm not well, there is a function for for me or for you, right? So when those occurrences occurs, what I do, I'll try to compensate on the weekend. Let's say next week I'm 2 days if I'm not available, assume that, then I have to compensate because of my leaves, because of my work, personal thing. Your training cannot extend the duration. Because of the discussion it can extend. See, since you are asking more questions, it can go for 3-4 months. But if I keep putting leaves and I'm not taking weekends, I'm not compensating somewhere, your training goes for 4 to 5 months. You will lose all your interest. Already 3 months is a long journey, okay, for any learner. So that is the reason I used to tell that Saturday, Sunday also I'm going to take the sessions. Some not every weekend. Okay, I'll come to all that now. So you will get TSO ISPF videos every day. You don't get videos for all the classes. Note the point. I don't share the video for all the class because if I share the video, people will not listen the class. Hey, Venkat will share the video, na? We will listen tomorrow. Okay, and which I follow from the last when I start from last 6 years, I am following the same approach. So you will get TSY SPF videos from me, no doubt about it. So you see that how many days are there? 6 to 8 days. I'll give videos for you. Okay. Then JCL out of 12 days. Okay. Out of 12 days, you are going to get videos for 5 to 7 days videos easily. Okay. Means rest of the days you don't get it. That is I meant. So VSAM, it is there already in YouTube channel, initial 2 videos. I'll ask you to go through that only. 2 videos. COBOL, this is the one. Out of 20, I will share 10 days videos. So why, I mean, what basis I am going to decide 10 days? You know, when I am teaching COBOL, you should know compilation. You should know how to fix the errors, how to see the errors. So by listening 1 hour video and going back, executing, fixed, recollecting is very difficult. So I know as a trainer where participants will stuck, where participants need more help, where participants needs to recap the video. So I know those things. For them only I am saying you are going to get 10 videos. Okay, more than 10 also I can say. So I can say more than 13 plus days. So DB2, yes, you will get around 4 or 5 days. Okay, and the CICS are going to get videos. I mean, videos means if I complete TSY SPF, I'll give a video access to you, all of them. Okay. Similarly, CICS also for few topics where you will get 8 days videos around. I'm telling you everything is around. It is not exactly. Okay. So you are going to get this many days videos approximately, guys. Okay. Approximately you are going to get those videos. Now, this is from my end. In this 3 month journey, hey Venkat, you are not sharing everyday video with me. If I am absent, what is the case? Correct? Yes. So as I said, if I am could able to take the leave, obviously you might be having your personal commitments. It can be a work or it can be uh, any occasion, or you are not well. It can be any reason. It can be any reason. So if you are absent, if you are planning to take a leave that day, if you're not able to attend, just you need to drop an email to me. You need to drop an email to me stating that. Okay, so stating that, Venkat, I'm not able to attend today's session, share the recorded video so that I can give a access to you alone, you can watch it. So like that you can be absent for 15 days. I am also controlling here. If you are absent for more than 15 days, then what you're going to learn this course, right? To bring seriousness for you, you can be absent for 15 days, which means that every day, every month, 5 days. Okay, so and the mainframe access will be there till you complete the training. So when your last day is the training, that day will be complete your training. Okay, so the next one, while I am covering these topics, I'll explain interview questions as part of the course and topic only. So some of them I'll cover. Most of them are there in my YouTube channel. Even if you don't attend my course, it is already there. Okay. And if you guys are doing on daily basis, okay, if you're doing hands-on daily basis, I'm going to give assignments as well as, okay. Only the thing is you keep doing the hands-on. Okay. How I know? If I open data set, I mean IDs, I'll come to know, right? So that is the one. Every day you can use ID for 3 hours. Okay, as per your time. There is no time that you have to use morning and evening. You can use every day 3 hours. If nobody using ID, you can use for 5 hours also. But minimum I am giving a commitment from my side, every day 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours means you have to explore 1 hour. Okay, you have to learn what is Venkat is explained, then type it. So 20, 24 hours using for 4 hours for learning is very biggest challenge for any learner. But okay, still if you feel very less, I cannot do anything, but 3 is enough. Okay. uh, what else I should cover? Yeah, course fees, I guess you are aware. I no need to tell. Then once you complete this course team, you are going to you can attend the till 6 years experience interview questions. Okay, you, as I told you, attend my trainings, do assignments which I am going to give, and go to my YouTube channel and watch all my YouTube interview question videos. Then you attend the interviews, you will be able to crack the interview. Okay, so this I can tell you from my end of the course. You will be able to work on existing project. You can able to work on new project only if you do hands-on daily basis. If you don't do the hands-on daily basis, that's all. Okay, you cannot understand old program also. Okay, so any queries you are expecting from this entire training flow? And when we are going to start, we are going to start from next Monday only. Tomorrow we don't have. Okay, by mistake I scheduled today. Ideally I schedule on Monday weekdays, so with a little bit confusion I schedule on first. Since I announced to everyone, I started the meeting. But the next day, that is our TSYSPF, is going to start from Monday. So don't think that he is given a demo today, he will start training somewhere else after 20 days and all. That is not, I'm not going to do that, because we have a minimal 10 participants already confirmed to me that they are going to attend. Okay, so that is the reason I announced the training. So from Monday at 9 p.m. today, what time you joined 9 p.m. same time we are going to start. But today it is extended 26 or 30 minutes additional, but it is not going to happen every day. So 9 to 10 our regular training timings.
So, sorry to interrupt, Venkat. Every Sunday we have classes or Sundays off?
Saturdays, not every Saturday, Sunday. Okay, only few weekends, not every weekend.
Okay, so from Monday to Friday it is must. Saturday, Sunday you will
Yeah,
confirm.
yeah. That I'll inform you. Maximum, I'll keep giving the hint. Hey guys, next week I may not able to attend, but on
Okay,
Friday, I mean on Friday evening, I'll confirm you that.
okay.
But
Sunday is
I'll
for sure,
inform
right?
Sunday also. Yeah, see, maximum I'll take Saturdays only. Sunday I'll try to leave it. But worst 3-4 weekends only I'll take it on Sundays.
That's all
Three
from my
Sundays.
side, Venkat. Thank you.
Yeah.
To the same number we need to pay, right?
Yes. You saw my phone number, right? And
Yeah.
you saw in multiple places there only. Yeah. So I
Yeah,
guess
hi,
you
man.
know.